children. Today we are going to learn the letter A. Let's look at the picture and learn the words that start with the letter A. A for aeroplane. A for ant. A for apple. A for alligator. A for axe. This is the letter A. Reading fun. Now let's read a short story together. An ant was finding an apple and axe, which held by an alligator. An aeroplane flew nearby. STEAM activities. Let's do some fun activities together. S. Discuss the color and taste of an apple. Also, tell the students apple is a fruit. T. Listen to the letter R by watching a video. E. Use Play-Doh to make a shape of R. A. Cut an apple in 2 halves. Dip one half in paint and stamp it onto the paper to create a pattern. M. Ask the students to count the number of letters in the word apple. Word building. Let's spell and read these words. A-N-T, ant. A-R-T, art. A-X-E, axe. Well done, children. Goodbye.